Well, hi guys, got an unboxing for you today. Nearly didn't get it. This was outside, not inside near the communal hall or outside my door. Is outside at a different location. I've been trying to track it all day long. It doesn't tell you the time it's going to be here. It just says like out for delivery. Not like with Amazon. At least you can track Amazon properly, and you can tell when they're actually outside your house. But with a Viral, or what we believe the name is, used to be Herms. They still haven't changed their conduct. They're still a bunch of dickheads, to say, to be honest with you, because they never deliver stuff to the right door. At least Amazon, they do kind of try and leave stuff outside for you, either outside your door in the communal room. But I just went out because I saw that there was a photo of the white van outside the property. I thought, well, that's a bit fucking stupid. What has he done? Left it on the van or something, or underneath the van? Well, anyway, I looked down towards the opposite side of the pathway, and this package was sitting outside another address. So I actually knocked on the door and asked him if there's another package there, if it had been put through the post box, and he said no. He goes, usually when their door knocks, they don't even answer the door because they think it's sometimes like, people coming down to like sell them things and offer them things, kind of thing. It's very rare they'll open the door for their own packages. Probably why I end up fucking delivering them, because they deliver them to me all the time. And I have to go down and deliver people's packages to the right owners, because like companies just don't do what they're supposed to do. They get paid to deliver, but they don't deliver to the right addresses. So I'm hoping both of my packages is there. If not, I'll be putting a complaint in to a Viral, or whatever the company's name is. Like it used to be Herms. I did just do a tracking on both packages. It ends with 8557, and the other one also ends at 8557. So it might all be in the same package. I don't know until I open it, and I know that after I've opened the Amazon ones. So I did actually near enough open this earlier. I was getting a bit, impatient, but I had an idea what it was, and these are just connectors which I've ordered in case I need them. I don't need them at the moment, but there's always a possibility that I might need them at a later date when I start learning to try and do some proper electronics. So these are green connectors. This, as I say, came from Amazon, and there's 100 pieces in there, and it comes with a little mini screwdriver. Wow. So I'm not sure if I'll probably use them, but they're there in case I do need them. The other one from Amazon is guitar picks, because I ordered off Temu, or was it Amazon? No, I ordered it off Amazon. Electronic screen opening pry tool repair kit. But when I opened it yesterday, I think it was, the guitar picks weren't there, and there's supposed to be 3 guitar picks in there, because they are used as a pry tool as well. So because they weren't there, I've got to report that to Amazon, say missing parts. But because I thought I might need them, because I want to do some scrapping sometime this week, I actually ordered some guitar picks. And they're multicolored, different color ones. And these were 60 pieces for $2.99. Now the green connectors was $7.49. Could have got them on Temu, but I thought you know, it's another 14 days for them to come through. And like, if I do need them, you know, I might need them kind of like urgently. I don't know, but I have got a lot more stuff coming through Temu eventually. I've got another 2 big packages coming through, but they've only just been ordered, so that won't be for another possibly 2 weeks. They say 7 to 14 days anyway. Now let's see if both my packages are in here. So it doesn't feel like it at the moment. But they could all be in here, I don't know. Right, so there's some test leads I ordered, because I did order some more test leads. Although I am trying to make my own test leads, but my test leads ain't that brilliant at the moment. It's more of a trial run. Right, I ordered 5 LCD screens, which I have got one here somewhere. 5 of these, which has got the amp voltage. 2 of these on Amazon were £7.99. On Temu, I think they're like £1.60 on Temu. Oh dear. 128 on Temu. So you can get like 5 on Temu for around about £7, but on Amazon you only get 2 for £7. So that's 5 of those. 2, 3, 4. 5. God, this is small. I thought it was going to be bigger than this. I ordered one of these like little kind of tape things, digital ones. Mind you, I don't do a lot of measuring anyway, so these will probably be okay for what I need for now. I'm not going to pull this out because it'll start making it be used. I know you actually need to try it. You've got your on and off button there and 0. So that's turned off. It does work. It's got its battery in there. That was £2.88. Right, this is a USB power adapter thing, which I can't show you it running because it means I'll have to grab my camera down onto my screen. Oh, sounds a bit weird. You can actually plug in another USB adapter in here. I don't know if it works. Let me try something. Right, I've got my power adapter here. Right there. Now I'll plug that in. Will that work? Yeah, it works, but it's upside down. Right, let's plug it into my PC. Is that working? Yeah, that works. But I can't see what it says. I think it's upside down as well. So it works, just that it's kind of awkward to read it. So that works. That was I think they put both packages in the same package, actually. Yeah, they did. This device was £4.38. £4.38. Right, the next is some fuse things, because I was going to try and make my own power supply unit, and it did say that you need fuses. So there's a pack of 5 fuses there, which was £1.98 for 5. So there should be another pack there. So I think I ordered 2. Yeah, 2 packs. So there. These are the fuses for the fuse adapters. These were 100 pack for £2.98. So I'll keep blowing fuses when I'm trying to build something. At least I've got plenty of fuses to use. Right, I ordered these, but I've not ordered the crimpers yet, because I think I've got crimpers, but I'm not 100% sure if they're crimpers or not. So I'll have to check on that. If not, I'll have to order a cheaper crimpers off Temu or Amazon. But I am trying to cut down in buying stuff now, because I spent so much money on Temu and on Amazon. It's unbelievable. So the second packet is all turned up there. That there should be 3 more items, and I'm only seeing 2. So I think I'm missing an item. So I ordered a portable ST. Oh no, that is it. That's portable ST. I've got the measuring thing. I've got the insulated connectors. Intelligent fault tester, which must be this one. Oh, I see it flashing. So this is a kind of a fault tester pen. I am. And this last one should be some drill bits, which they are. So they will go in my drill bit box. So in total, I spent on Temu for those packages £25 is the next one that's coming. £11, 32 and 18. So I spent about £30 on all these items. Now, when I order them, it does sometimes tell you how much money you save. Now, for what I see here, I saved £15.94 on that one. And £55.58. So I spent around about, well, actually I saved 55. Let me get a pen. I'm not sure I've got a calculator somewhere. What did I do with the calculator? No, it's up here somewhere. Right, so 55.58 plus 15.94 equals I don't know how you do the equals on this one. Oh, it's £94. Apparently I saved £94. No, that can't be right. 55. Say £70. Because this doesn't work properly, I don't think. So 55 and 15. So say around about £72. And the total cost to me for all the items here was £11.32 plus 18. So you're talking about just over £20 on total cost. So it says £74 total on that one. So 74 plus 27, 74, 81, 91, £101 apparently in total just for these items. Now, if you bought them on eBay, Amazon, it would probably cost you over £100. But I got it all for, so if you say like, just call it £100, round it off. 11 and say £21. So I saved about £80, which is pretty good going. And they say like Temu, rips people off. Well, sometimes they do come through damaged items, kind of thing, which you have to kind of like, respect. Well, not respect, but, you're going to know that some stuff is going to come through damaged, especially the boxes, because Temu don't look after box stuff. I've seen many videos, watching videos on Temu where people bought stuff and the boxes have been crushed inside the packages because they don't box them up properly. They don't put the boxes inside of a box to keep them safe. They don't put no padding around them or anything like that. They just get the items, shove it in a bag, set it up and send it out to you. Because Temu is saving money that way. So there is a big possibility that you are going to get some items damaged, some items where the boxes are damaged, but the items inside is still good working condition. I did watch a video today, and he had he's a woodworking guy, and he ordered 6 items, I think it was, and only one item was faulty. But he said he would buy from Temu again because he'd done a comparison of Amazon and Temu on the prices. And let's say one of these pens that cost me on Temu £1.28, right? That could be a £10 item. I know some of these cables are around about £10, but I only paid just under £2 for that one. And then these, these on Amazon around about 15-20 quid. And I paid, let me just check on Amazon for this one. 300-piece insulation cable connector. So Amazon. Right, so this might not be the exact one, but there is one similar, which is £8.89. Or there's another one at £17. There's a 200 piece one for £4.99. But a majority of 300 pieces are between £8 to £17, £17.99. And my one cost £4.98. So I saved a bit of money. Even if it was the cheapest ones, which is like £8.98, I still saved £4 on that item. So I think I will need to get some crimpers. Because I don't know if I've got any or not. But the good thing is, these are all small items, and I haven't got to hunt around for space to put them all in, because that would be a bit of a bugger. Seems like everything's here anyway. On my next Temu delivery, I've ordered 16 items, and the total cost on that one it says it's going to be between the 12th and the 17th, and I think it's already order has been shipped. They could be shipped from one department to another department to another department before it gets to the airfield, until it gets to the aircraft to be shipped out from the country. So any time between the 12th and the 17th, I'll have my next order, 16 items, and the total was £75. But with discounted items, I saved another £50 on that one. So I only paid £25.13 on 15 items. And that's like another pair of test cables, damaged screw extractor, a paper towel holder, because I'm going to use that for wire, most probably. I've got sorted 14 lengths of sorted breadboard cables, because I want to start using my breadboard again and trying to do some electronics on other YouTube channels. I've got a 12-piece mini multifunctional precision screwdriver, which is usually used for mobile phones. Now, I do have a few mobile phones which are broken, and I wouldn't mind taking apart and seeing what's inside of it, and just generally mucking around. I did recently get myself some circular saw blades, the little portable ones for the Dremel. I ordered another set of those, and my last set off Amazon was like a 6 set, I think, or 7, and that was like about £8. Now I just ordered 11-piece circular saw blades for cutting wood or disc or whatever, and that was only 89 cents or 89p. Then I bought some shanks from a Dremel, some drill chucks from a Dremel, apparently an automatic stripping plier, wire stripping cable, wire cutter stripping circuit, whatever it is. I bought some male to female plug jack connectors with cables on. A magnetic pickup tool, because I do tend to drop things on the floor, can never bloody find them. If I do find them, bending over usually hurts me back a little bit. So I've ordered a little magnetic telescopic adjustment pickup tool. Jump wires for the breadboard. Now, I know I said I've already ordered one, which was 140 piece, which is 128, but I did order another 65 piece, which is smaller junk cables, and that's 198 as well. And then I ordered 250 meters of a coloured cable, AWG 30 cable, which is used for electronics, and that was £6.48. Now on Amazon, that cable, the same kind of cable, is £15, £12. Depends on the thickness of it, 16. You got a £7.99 one, but I don't think it tells you how much length you've got on that one. There's another one, 15 meters, £12.59. £12.59. That's 15 meters. I don't know. That's per wire because it's different, like 8 colour wires. I don't know. That's 15 meters per wire or in total. There's another one there, 250 meters, 820 feet in total, £11.99. But as I say, my one, if that's the same one as Amazon, which I think it might be, I paid £6.48 when on Amazon it's £12. So I practically saved half my money on that one. As I say, there are various different ones. Well, actually, there's one on here, 250 meter length, £7.99. So if that's the same one, I still saved about £1.50 on it. If that's the same one, which I think it might be. Is that AG30? Yeah, £7.99. So I could order one again today and get it on Sunday if I wanted to, but I'm not in no rush for wire because with all my DVR wire cameras that I used to have, I pulled down all the wires and cut them up. So I've got strips of wire I can use whenever I need to. But the problem is stripping them out the actual black plastic kind of stuff. So it can be a bit of a pain. And because I would still want to use that particular cable, I ordered myself a wire stripper off Temu, but that won't be until next week or a week after. Anyway, so give Temu a bit of a check out, because you will actually, I guarantee you will save money. Guarantee it. Because they're trying to, what I've heard is that they're trying to outbid Amazon. And Amazon is pulling out of a certain country right now because Temu is defeating them with the cost. Now, I'm going to post a link in a minute if I can find a link. Where if you download the actual Temu app, right? Download the Temu app on your mobile. Apparently, you get £100 coupon bundle free. Now, there was a bit of a kind of you get £100. You can buy £100 worth of stuff, straight away and get it all free. But I think what I've done now is that the coupon bundle is you sign up, you get the bundle, but the bundle is split into 3 or 4 parts. So if you spend £40, you get £10 off or whatever, kind of thing. So, but Temu is pretty good. I've not been scammed from them as of yet. I find that the value is okay. I thought that, you know, this one was going to be one of the bigger ones actually, but it's not. I could probably get a big one if I want to, but I'm not going to worry about it as of yet. As I spent too much money out on electronics at the moment. So, yeah. If I can find my referral link, I've got it on Facebook, but I'm trying to find it on the PC. I don't know how you do that actually, mate. Athlete and influence. Up to £2 bonus for each new download and login. I can get up to 20% commission of people who actually logs in. I'm trying to find my actual referral link. There is one here, but it's a very, very long one. So what I do is I'll put that in the description below. I'll connect to my phone because you can actually put a code in on the actual when you pay for your items. There's a code there that I believe gives you a further 20%, and I think you can only use that the one time when you first log in and get a new account. I know there are recurring promo codes, but every code I found at the moment, it keeps saying that, you know, only for brand new app users. And, you know, what I done wrongly was I signed up on a PC thinking I'd get the £100 bonus, and it didn't give me the £100 bonus. So I downloaded the app and it still won't give me it. Now, if I downloaded the app first and started purchasing on there, then I would have got the £100 bonus if I hadn't signed up on PC. So if you want the bonus, the £100 bonus, what you need to do is download it on your Android phone first, sign up, and as you sign up, you get the £100 coupon bundle, and it explains, you know, what the bundle is when you sign up, and that's it really. So yeah, I'm off. I'm going to get something to eat, and if I get any more packages, I'll let you know. I have got one coming tomorrow, but I'm not going to worry about that because it's just a chair cover thing for the armrest, because my right armrest is getting really crapped out, you know, falling apart. So I need to get that covered up. But I mean, next lot of orders. So I did the orders yesterday, and they say that that'll be here between the 12th and the 17th. But I also did another order today. Now, I had a little mini USB soldering iron, but I don't know what I've done with it, so I ordered another one of those. I bought a little scraper, a claw hammer, multi-purpose steel cleaning spatula, magnetic drill bits, chip repair, thin blade, CPU and NAND remover kind of toolkit, and some proper mini metal crowbar prying opening repair toolkit for mobile phones. So again today I spent in total £41, but with discount, which was £26, I actually spent another £14.81. £14.87 today, and that's today. Yesterday, I spent if I got to pay for it all in one go, the total item cost was £75. But I got a £50 discount, and I paid £25. So I still paid like another 40 odd quid on two deliveries. And they will be say between the 12th and the 17th, depending, how quick the delivery is sent out and how long it takes through, to get onto the airport and through the customs on their side and through customs this side. When it usually gets customs, it ain't too bad here because it's usually like next day it gets to the delivery port and or the delivery hub, and then it's usually picked up, delivered to the hub, sorted, and it's usually here within a day or two. Because this package here shouldn't have been here until tomorrow, but it came today. So, sometimes it does come a little bit earlier, but there's a possibility it could be like a little bit later. So, let's say, if you've not tried Temu, give it a go. Use the link I will post down here. After I've done this video, I'll edit the comment section and put the link down so you can click on that, so you can sign up and get your £100 bonus kind of like package deal thing. And then like anything you order, it helps me with like I'll get like 20% of what you spend, I think, something like that. I don't know the percentage, but I will earn from it, and whatever I earn I can use in towards buying more stuff on Temu instead of having it coming out of my own back pocket. And another good thing is that if your item does not get delivered 8 days or within 48 hours of delivery after the 17th of June, so if I didn't get my delivery after the 17th of June, they would credit me a £5 credit, plus they would probably refund me the money for the items that I spent on, or they would actually resend the items, but I'll still get the £5 credit for not receiving them on the time that I was budgeted on. So, Temu is a good, it's better than Wish, put it that way. I've only ever bought one or two items off Wish, and that was a fucking big mistake. And a lot of people are saying that they've been ripped off by Wish so many times, it's unbelievable. It is a bit like Wish, it's like Wish 2.0 or something like that, kind of thing. But they are undercutting Amazon, and Amazon is getting worried about, the competition, and they are pulling out of, certain countries apparently right now. And well, if I'm going to get my products, 50-60% cheaper from another website than Amazon, but it means like waiting 2 weeks, I'd rather wait the 2 weeks and get it cheaper than bloody Amazon, to be honest with you. Unless I need it, straight away, then I'll have to pay for the full whack on Amazon. I'd hate to say how much money I spent on Amazon over the last few years. A lot of money. Thousands. I can guarantee you that over the last 3 or 4 years, probably. Right, so that's it for now. Cheers watching, and I'll keep you updated with, is that my Temu link? I don't know if it's my Temu though. Well, I'll put the link down below anyway, just to be on the safe side, because you just put the temu.com. That hasn't got my, actually, let me try something out, because I did put me, what's the name on there? The code, which is like an 8-digit code. So let me go on there, put a slash, and put that, and click on there. Now, I don't know if that works or not. But I'll put the direct link, and I'll put the code, just in case it doesn't go through the revival link. Because even if you don't get the what's name on the referral, you can put like a code in, which they give you for referral. and you put that in the when you go into your cart and you start cashing that, it asks you for like a link or like a coupon code, and you just put my coupon code in, and it give you discount on what you've ordered. Hopefully, then I'll get commission on what you've ordered. I don't know. I think it's only like about 10-20% or something like that. I don't really know. I won't know until I check it anyway. But that's it. Cheers for watching, and I will catch you on the next one. Don't forget, check the link below. And share, like, subscribe. Cheers. Bye.